plus y cube is equals 4. So kapag ganito yung given, so ganun pa rin yung gagawin mo. Basta for every y na magde-derive ka, magkakaroon ka ng y prime. So basically itong x cube natin, that is 3x squared. Alam na natin yan. Binaba natin yung exponent, binawasan natin yung isa exponent natin. Then sa y cube, that is 3y squared. Pero nag-derive tayo ng y, so magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. Then derivative ng 4, that is 0. So magkakaroon ka ng 0 doon kasi constant. Then same process, solve for y prime. So magkakaroon ka ng 3y squared y prime equals yung negative 3x squared natin. Kasi nagpalit siya ng sign. Ganun siya ginagawa. Then dinivide mo lang siya ulit by 3y squared. So pag dinivide by 3y squared both side, so magkakaroon na lang tayo ng y prime, which is equals sa negative x squared over y squared. So kasi na-simplify natin yung 3 over 3, which is 1. Gets?